Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our live. Sa namang laban ang ating masasaksihan between the Aquinas School versus the home team, ang Claret School QC. This is the juniors division. Ayan, kasama natin ang ating mga idol from San Juan represent. Nasuportahan natin ang ating kabarangay, ating San Juaneño, ang team Aquinas. Let the battle begin. Yeah, please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming pong salamat. Good luck. First ball. Sanchez, pull up J, no. Rebound. Uy, wala pa rin. Oh! Wala, tumama. Backcourt. Sabi ka, boss. There's a foul by GC Boy. Obtenario. That is first personal foul. First team foul. Shooting in the line, number 18. And first basket. Wala ay number 18. Second shot is good. Sa pala ko. There we go, Jesse Boy, too strong, and gets a putback. Mula sa Aquinas. Foul again, Jesse Boy. That is second personal foul. Second team foul. Jumper, no. Saltao. Oh. Basket. Change favor. Aquinas School. Nakabawi sa tres. Pasto Pilis. Matao. Matapol. Sanchez. Out of bounds. Steal by Jesse Boy. Pilis short. Sanchez gets a foul. First shot para kay Sanchez. Timeout. Aquinas. Official score is 6-5 in favor of the home team. Oh, another steal for Claret. Number 99. Pass 2. Gets the foul. Pasensya na po, di ko makita yung board Kaya official tayo. Decision. Number 18 basket. Pilis, Cardenas, pass to Cheesy Boy. Ooh! Illegal screen by number 12. That is personal foul. the foul. Cardenas shooting on the line. First shot, no good. Second shot, wala. .5-8 ang ating score. Lamang ng 3 ang home team. There's a 3, no rebound by number 12. Ano, GC Boy, may tangan ng bola. Ordinario. Pasto, Phyllis, Cardenas. To Ganapon. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Substitution, Juben. Calindes coming in for Pilis. Ayun ang superstar ng Aquinas. Oh, steal by Sanchez. Here we go. Ganapon to GC Boy fake. GC Boy attacking. Rebound by Sanchez. And gets a foul. Correction, that's jersey number 12. That's De Guzman. Shooting for 2. Guzman. Pass pa rin ang free throw ng Aquinas. Tabasa dalawang lamang ng Claret. Number 10 gets the 3. Ooh, 3-point para sa number 11. Setting on the screen, GC Boy, babawi sa 3. No, rebound. Ayun na, munti ka na magawan. Number 12 will cover, number 22. Tinasa corner, fake, and that's a traveling violation. Substitution, Nestia coming in. Pero mamaya na daw yung sabi nila. Ordinario. Pass to Pilis. Oh, sorry, that's Ganapon. To Giben. Setting on the screen. Giben, kick out. Back to number 12, De Guzman. That's a foul. Shooting on the line by jersey number 12. Ayan, pinasok pa rin dito si Asher. Guzman, the first shot is good. Second shot is good. Substitution, Beltran coming in for De Guzman. Jumper, no rebound. Here comes Beltran. Beltran, pass to Given. Given. Attacking the basket and gets the foul. Natamaan ang pisngi ni Given. Galines, shooting the line, 4-2. Wala. Second shot for Giben. Basket. Pabasa dalawa ang lamang ng home team. 11-9. Uy, matiga na magawan. Knocks it down 3. No. Rebound by Giben. Giben. Oh, another illegal screen for Asher. Number 10, tumira sa 3, wala, rebound by Giben, 3 against 2. Giben with a strong drive, gets a foul. Shooting the line by Giben Galines. Bilis. 9-11, no? Tama. 9. Height lang ba? Okay. Thank you. 11-8 according sa ating official. Second shot for Giben. Ayun na, baba ulit sa dalawa. 9-11.
Harapan mo, White!
Penalty. Good. Nasa ba? That's the end of our first quarter. Fisher scores 9-11. Back to the ball game. We're going to the second quarter. Fisher scores 9-11 in favor of the Clarence School of QC. Giben. Take out. Baltao for 3, no? Service number 2. Oy. Gets a foul by Asher. Number 22, shoot the line. Basket. 9-12. Lahat ang mga shooting ng Aquinas. Cross-court pass, steal by Beltran. Beltran. Pass to... Oy! Basket para kay Ganapon. 2 of 11. Gets a 3. Uy! Nakabawi. Point para sa Claret. Ayun na. Pabawi. Ganapon. Uy! No good. Out the pass. Gets a 3. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha. Giben. Here comes Giben. Nagmamadali. Pinigay. Number 2. Basket yan. Uy. Wala. Technical number 2. On a shot para sa Claret. Basket. Gets a 3. Oh! Na-corner nga sa dulo. Malaki na po ang alamangan ng Claret with a 6-point lead. 19-13. Beltran. Pass to Giben. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound ng home team.
Corner, kabila! Agad, kabila!
Pinigay sa corner. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Ganapon. Nagmamadali. Ganapon with a side step. And 1. Basket count and 1 for Ganapon. 15-19. Baba sa 3. Sa 4. Substitution, Beltran coming in. Oh, sorry. That's the Guzman to Beltran. One shot for Ganapon. Oh. That is second personal foul. First shot is good. Wala. Rebound by Kiben. Ganapon. So Ganapon. Ganapon with a strong drive. And one. Basket count. And one again for Ganapon. 2017. 17. 17 kaya. Tatlo. One shot for Ganapon.
Nice shot!
Basket. Babasa dalawa ang lamang ng home team. Another steal. Oy, too strong. Rebound. De Guzman. Oh, sorry, that's number 2. Pinagay. Kay Ganapon. Pass number 2. Gets the 3. No. Rebound. And the last touch. Ako ay na school basketball. Dalawa. Kiben. Pass to number 16. To number 2. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Oh. See. There's a foul. Pushing foul.
Kaya! Hey, big ball!
Oh, steal. Number 16. Oh, steal. Naka-recover. De Guzman. Ganapon to Giben. Setting on the play. From elbow 3. No. Rebound. De Guzman. Oy, that's it to Ravel. Gets a 3, no, rebound. Makakuha ni Giben. Giben, di-discarte. Giben, pass to Ganapon. Oops, Nick, that's a trouble.
Iwasan mo na yun yung ganun. Iwasan mo na yun, bawi.
Substitution, Ganapon. Pinahinga na muna rito ni Coach. De La Cruz. Nasa corner, gets a 3, no, rebound. Halos tulak. Hindi nakita yun natin referee.
Basket!
Ordinario, pass to Giben. Giben from the corner, 3, no. Rebound, makakuha ni Guzman. And still, na-Claret. Number 18. Pinasa loob. Floater, basket is good. Giben attacking the basket. Up and under. Kick out to Ordinario. Sidestep. JC Boy. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman nabitawan. Uy. Same ball. That's a 24-second shot clock
Hey,
violation.
defense!
Oh, he gets a foul by Baltao. Penalty. Number 99, shooting for 2. Sila. 23-18. Lima. 6-point lead para sa Claret. Baltao. The guy. Pass to Giben. Back to Baltao. To GC Boy. To the guy. Jump shot. No. Rebound ng Claret. Pinasa sa corner. Attacking. Pass number 26. And 1. By jersey number 26. Let's go. One shot para kay number 26. Basket is good. 18-27. Jesse Boy. To Baltao. Pass to Giben. Side step.
Take time!
Foul. Given Galides. Shooting on the line. This shot is good. Second shot is good. 20-27. Mabasag pito ang lamang ng Claret. Ooh! That's a technical. That's a technical for Jesse Boy. That's sport personal foul if I'm not mistaken. Warning for graduate.
Bawi boy, bawi! Takin!
Lalabas na muna siya dito ng ating coach. Oh, still. Baltao. Pass to Giben. Nilagay sa corner. Jump shot. And gets a foul.
Ilang ka na boy?
Shooting the line, jersey number 9 for Aquinas. Shot is good. Second shot is good. Uy, libre doon. Uy, double. And that's the end. Natawag pa ng foul. Alright, and that's the end of our first half. Official score, 29-22. Babalik tayo para sa third quarter. Magkakatuman tayo for the meantime. Kakat muna tayo ha. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming pong salamat.